got makeup all over this. Oh, whoops, Kylie. Lipstick. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Stacy and I am back with another video. I'm back with you guys with a story time and also a Ulta haul. I wouldn't really consider it a haul. I'm just super excited about the items that I did get, so I wanted to go ahead and share them with you guys. So yeah, so the story time begins with the fact that a couple of weeks ago, actually when quarantine started, my husband threw away my Morphe palette. And it was literally my favorite Morphe palette, and don't even ask how he threw it away. I left it in his car. He threw it away because he didn't think that for some reason it looked like trash to him. So welcome to marriage, guys. If you're thinking about getting married. But I decided to go to Ulta today because, I mean, obviously with everything happening, I had to wear my good old mask. And then I went to Ulta just to see at least what they have. I actually decided to go because it is a bigger location that I was close to and I really wanted to check it out. So I got some nice little items in here. I'm gonna show you guys. It's not really that much stuff, to be honest. It's just, I just thought it was really cute and I figured I need to post a video because I've been slacking. So I got two different Morphe palettes, the 35 Natural Glow, which is, I'm honestly so sad because we just moved into our house. Well, I shouldn't say just moved in because it's been 6 months now, but I had number 35 and I believe 30 if I'm not mistaken, and my husband threw it away. And then my other 35, I don't know where it's at. Like, I don't know where it's at. So I haven't opened this up. I just want to show you guys. This is how it comes. This is the Natural Glow. It's actually really pretty, but if you guys can see, it's what it looks like. The colors, they're very pretty. It's very neutral colors, a lot of fall colors, not, you know, but I will show you this second one, which I'm super excited to show you guys. So that's the Nature Glow 350, and I think the one that I had was the 300, honestly, but I don't know because, again, my husband threw it away. I don't even remember what the palette was. I had just gotten it. I hadn't even had it for like a month. I probably had it for probably a month or two, and then he literally tossed it in the trash. So there's that. So this is that first palette, and then, oh my gosh, I don't think I'll be able to get it back in there. Oh my goodness, that's fine. I can do it later. That's the first one. I'm just gonna set that to the side here. And today was actually, the staff was really friendly. This was my first time at this Ulta. If you are in Florida, in the Tampa area, this was actually in Plant City, and it's a really big Ulta, like very big, very spacious. The staff was super friendly and super helpful. But this is the one that I'm super excited that I got. I've been meaning to actually get this one, but again, I figured I had so many Morphe, well, I only had 2 Morphe palettes, and now I have 2 because both of them are lost. But this one here, I love the colors. Let me show you guys. Look at how beautiful, oh, there we go. Look at how beautiful these colors are. These are like super summer, spring, also can be used in the fall. Oh my gosh, just look at the pigment, sis. The pigment on this is just giving me all type of life. I am so excited to dive into these colors. It's not even funny. Like, I love me a good shimmer. Like, look at this one right here. So beautiful. I love the glitter. I love the pigment. As you can see, I already used a little bit of this one because I was so excited. I was just like, oh my gosh, I haven't had eyeshadow in like friggin' 3 months. Which literally, I haven't had eyeshadow, my eyebrows, I haven't even done my eyebrows. I'm struggling, but it's okay. We're thriving in the struggle, so it's fine. But it is so beautiful. Isn't it pretty? Like, guys, so this is the color, this is the palette Fierce by Nature, and it's 3503. I'm no makeup guru, so honestly, I don't really know nothing about makeup. I just know how to do it on my own face. And sometimes I mess up on my own face because you know, being outside, my skin will change. Like, sometimes I have a red undertone, sometimes I have a yellow undertone, sometimes my skin will cooperate, sometimes it won't. So I'm no makeup guru. I'm still trying to figure out my own face. So for those who could do makeup, look, props to you, because girl, I still be struggling. And then I got some amazing lippies. So I love Smashbox, and this, I got 2 of their liquid, let me put these ones down first. I got 2 of their liquid matte lipsticks. The color on this, guys, I mixed them together. That's actually the color that I have right now. I mixed this one, which I don't know if I'm showing it fully. I don't know. But if you guys can see that, it's such a beautiful, it's like, that's literally what the color is. I guess I'll like swash it so you guys can like get a, so you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's literally what the color is. It's so beautiful. Especially on my melanated sisters, this here, okay, that melanin be popping with those beautiful dark purple. Like, the purples are just, I just love them on my skin tone. I love the purples, like the burgundies. Yes, sis, give me all of them. And so this other color as well. This one is called Misconduct. So this is called Misconduct, and then this is called Girl Gang. Girl Gang obviously is a little bit lighter, and it's very matte. So once you put it on, it's very nice and like glossy. Well, I shouldn't say glossy. It glides on very well and nice and beautifully on your lip, and then it becomes matte very, very quickly. So as you can see, even on my hands, it's already big. It's already becoming matte. So, and this is the second one. Hopefully you guys can see the difference. So I mixed them together on my lip to get the color that I have right now. I love mixing my colors. I'm just like, I never can just put one on. But this is oh my gosh, the vibes are just immaculate. So those are the 2 Smashbox lippies. Again, this one is Girl Gang, and then the other one is Misconduct. The Misconduct, obviously, it's a little bit darker. I'm gonna show you guys just one more time. And then I got a lip gloss from, it's a lip plumping gloss. My lips don't need no more plumping. I already got plump lips. So I don't even know what this is gonna do. I just wanted a lip gloss, and I love e.l.f.'s lip glosses. So I did get one of those, and then I got a Pro Concealer. You can get this and you don't have to get it at Ulta, honestly, because you can get it for like $2.99 from any one of your beauty supply stores. But I was already there, I saw it, so I grabbed it. So I'm gonna put those to the side. And then I also got this perfect Finish HD powder. It's a translucent powder, you know, your regular powder, like what your perfect finish powder would look like, or your translucent powder would look like. But it literally, it gives you this matte look. And you know, when you get oily during the day or whatever, my friend actually told me about this. She saved my life, because girl, I was so shiny. It just looked like the oils were just, doing the most on my face. So my face during the day, it gets very, very oily, especially here in my T-zone area. So this will keep you, like, give you that nice fresh matte look, and it will do that for like 5 hours, literally. Once you put it on, you won't need it again. Like, and it's only $6. It's only $6 at Ulta. You can also get it at Walmart or Target. Target usually carries a lot of e.l.f. products, so we can get it there too, but it was at Ulta, so I grabbed it. And then they gave me this free, actually they gave me 2 gifts today because they had a special going on, but I've never bought a Kylie lip, and they gave me this lip kit. It is Cocoa by Kylie Cosmetics, and it is, it's actually cute. It's actually cute. This is what it looks like. And it has like all these different, I want to swatch them for you guys. All these different lips. Like, it has this like pinkish looking, I don't know how that's gonna look on me, Some of these lips are not made for, I don't know, some of these lips a little questionable on my skin tone. But, girl, we make it work. We make it work. So I'm not even worried about that. This one, I feel like, wow. Okay, so the first 2, I don't know how I feel. This is what they look like. That's this one. So that's them side by side. Again, they're matte, so they're going to, they mattify very quickly. It's very interesting. This, I don't know how this pink one would look like. I actually kind of want to try it on, but I love the lip that I have on right now. So, sorry guys. I don't know. And then this is it looks like a nude. The last one just looks like a regular, ooh, child. It looks like your regular nude. Like, that's what it looks like. Oh snap, I'm actually excited for this nude one. It's called Clothes. Obviously, this is called, of course, it's called Clothes, and this is called Gorge. And then, oops. And then they have like a, let's see. And then this is just like your regular gloss. This is just, oh my gosh. And I don't know what's happening with the brush here. Kylie, what the heck? So, girl, let's get it together. But yeah, I'm not hating it. I'm not hating it. I'm not hating it. I feel like I would probably utilize these. I mean, I didn't have to pay for it, so it doesn't really matter to me whether I can utilize them or not, because literally I got it for free. But see, it looks like it would be very pretty on, like especially this one here, which is called the ochre. Oh, it is literally called ochre. Ochre. But that, I feel like that's this one right here. That would look so pretty with like a liner, a lip liner, and just that on over it. It would look very pretty. And I would love to mix all these. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna mix all of them. I'm literally gonna mix every single one of them. Yeah, so that is all. So literally, I got a total of 7 products plus this free gift. So this, and then they also gave me this bag, which is like I don't know, it looks like it's like a duffel bag type joint going on here. So also gave me this free bag. That's how I hid these items from my husband. But yeah guys, that is my little Ulta haul. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys. If you guys wanted to go to Ulta, go, because again, they're giving away those little free Kylie kits. I know like these are pretty pricey, especially like her lippies. That's another reason why I haven't bought one, because I don't really see the need, especially her products, because I don't think that they are worth the amount of money that they are sold at. I haven't got one to this day because I don't really, I was never pressed to get one of them, and I feel like if I'm gonna spend $18 or $24 on a lip kit, I'm gonna probably do that with a brand that I actually really like. If you've been wanting one of her kits, definitely go ahead and go to Ulta, purchase something. They are giving away these kits out for free. So yeah, this is your time. Go to Ulta, and obviously there's some rules with it. You have to purchase a certain amount or whatever in order for you to get what this, you know, this little free gift is. But guys, I will be back I have a bag on the way. I am so excited, guys. It is in the mail. It should be getting to me probably in about 3 to 5 business days, depending. Obviously with the pandemic, it's a little bit crazy, but I've been wanting to get my hands on this bag, and I don't know if you guys can guess. It's not a Louis Vuitton. I will give you that hint, but it is a very, very nice bag that I've been wanting for not a very long time. I actually just became obsessed with it for the last couple of months, and I was like, I really need this bag, like, oh my gosh. So I'm very, very excited to make that video. Once it ships and gets to me, once it gets delivered, y'all, it's going down, and I am going to make that video and let you guys know what I think. But I am super excited for the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Give a thumbs up. And yeah, you'll be seeing a lot more of me. I have free time now, so starting a new job, got free time, so I will be here with you. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.